Looking to boost your Canva designs with voiceovers? Let's get started. Open your Canva project where you want to add audio. This works wonders for presentations, social media content, and marketing materials. Locate the Elements panel on the left side. Search for audio or microphone. In the Elements panel, Canva offers voiceover-ready elements. Select one, like the microphone icon, and place it on your canvas. You can record directly or upload a pre-recorded voiceover first. Let's record. Click on the selected audio element. Record by clicking the microphone icon. Speak when the countdown starts. Stop when done. Re-record or edit directly on the panel if needed. If pre-recorded, upload your audio file. Drag and drop from your computer into the audio panel or elements panel. Place it on your design or the timeline for perfect sync. Adjust the audio's position and duration to match your visuals. Preview, and you're done. You've added a voiceover, ready to engage your audience. Share your creation, like and subscribe for more Canva tips.